Have you ever wondered how wealthy people like Tesla CEO Elon Musk or Amazon founder Jeff Bezos manage to build and maintain their fortunes? While there's no secret formula or quick fix, the wealthy have certain habits and principles that have helped them succeed financially. In this video, we'll explore 5 money rules that the rich use to build and maintain their wealth, and how you can apply them to your own financial journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, these money rules can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. There is a lot of knowledge and learning to take away from these billionaires' habits, so let's dive in and discover the rules that rich people don't want you to know. Rule number 1. Debt is a trap. The rich are aware that debt is a trap that puts people in a state of financial slavery. They avoid debt as much as possible, but when they do acquire debt, it is strategic and carefully considered. Wealthy people are aware that debt can be a burden and restrict their financial freedom. However, wealthy people are aware that some debts, like a mortgage on a property with rising value, can be beneficial. But they only take on this kind of debt if they can easily afford to repay it. They are able to leverage their funds and possibly make more money than they would have otherwise by taking on debt to fund these investments. Consider an investor who has $100,000 to invest in real estate. They could use this money to purchase a single property outright, or they could take out a mortgage to purchase multiple properties. The investor is able to potentially increase rental income and gain from the cumulative appreciation of multiple properties by using debt to buy more properties. Overall, then, it's clear that debt can be a double-edged sword for the wealthy. They are well aware of the risks associated with having too much debt, but they also understand the potential advantages of using debt wisely to reach their financial objectives. They are able to make the most of this tool and gradually accumulate wealth by giving each possible use of debt careful thought and a well-thought-out consideration. Rule number 2. Saving is key. The rich are aware that saving money is an essential component of building wealth. Every month, they set aside a part of their income and invest it sensibly to generate passive income. They also frequently adopt a long-term perspective when it comes to saving and investing, realizing that wealth is accumulated gradually over time through constant methodical strategies. Regularly saving money has several benefits, one of which is that it enables rich people to benefit from compound interest. Compound interest is the process whereby interest on an investment generates interest on itself, resulting in a snowball effect that, over time, can produce substantial growth. The wealthy are able to take advantage of this potent force by investing their savings in assets that produce compound interest. We'll get back to these assets later in the video. The wealthy recognize the value of diversification when it comes to investing, in addition to compound interest. To spread their risk and reduce their exposure to any one asset class, they usually invest in a variety of different assets. This can ensure that they are able to weather any storms that come their way and safeguard their wealth in the event of market turbulence or economic downturns. Overall, the wealthy use a key strategy to accumulate and increase their wealth over time, saving money and investing it carefully. They are able to build a solid financial foundation that will be able to generate passive income for years to come by adopting a long-term perspective, utilizing compound interest, and diversifying their assets. Rule number 3. Invest in assets. The rich put their money in assets like stocks, properties, and companies that increase in value over time. They are aware that investing in assets that increase in value is essential for building wealth. The wealthy can benefit from capital gains and increased cash flows by investing in assets that appreciate over time, which can compound their wealth over time. The wealthy also frequently diversify their holdings across various asset classes to minimize overall risk exposure and maximize returns. The wealthy frequently diversify their holdings across various asset classes in addition to concentrating on assets that increase in value. They are able to reduce total risk exposure and increase returns by diversifying their investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and other assets. Additionally, wealthy people frequently invest with discipline, avoiding emotional responses to market fluctuations in favor of making choices based on a carefully thought out investment strategy. Additionally, they frequently consult financial advisors to assist them in making choices and keep them abreast of current market trends. In conclusion, wealth building for the rich depends critically on investing in assets that increase in value. They are able to grow and compound their wealth over time, generating sizable passive income and building a solid financial foundation for themselves and their families by utilizing the power of compound interest, diversifying their holdings, and adopting a disciplined approach to investing. Rule number 4. Don't rely on a single source of income. The wealthy are aware of the value of having several sources of income. By investing in various businesses or real estate properties and creating passive income streams, they diversify their income streams. They are able to mitigate risk and potentially earn more money than they would with just one source of income. The wealthy are aware that depending solely on one source of income carries risks, and that diversifying one's sources of income can provide stability and security in one's financial situation. The wealthy can safeguard themselves against unforeseen financial setbacks and take advantage of many prospects for growth and income generation by diversifying their sources of income. Another benefit of diversifying income streams is that it can open up opportunities for growth and income generation, and that might not be possible with just one source of income. The wealthy, for instance, have the potential to make substantial returns on their investments and develop new passive income streams by investing in new businesses. Similar to this, they can access new marketplaces and possibly make even more money than they would with just one source of income by developing and commercializing their own goods or services. In conclusion, diversifying income sources is a crucial tactic used by the rich to safeguard and increase their wealth over time. By developing numerous passive income streams, they can reduce risk, increase their potential earnings, and seize growth and income-generating opportunities that might not be possible with a single source of income. Rule number 5. Live below your means. The wealthy tend to be frugal and live within their means. They cut back on wasteful spending and prioritize making investments for the future. They are aware that maintaining a low standard of living is essential to long-term wealth accumulation. They budget their money wisely and put money into things like real estate, business possibilities, and education that will pay off in the long run. The wealthy can invest more money by living below their means, which can help them accumulate wealth more quickly. Also, they avoid lifestyle inflation, which is when spending rises as income does, as this might restrict their ability to invest and save. Instead, they put their attention on increasing their wealth and obtaining financial independence. The wealthy can benefit from opportunities that may not be accessible to those who are living paycheck to paycheck or struggling to make ends meet by living within their means as well. The wealthy may be able to produce even more passive income and compound their wealth over time. In conclusion, the wealthy's tendency to keep a low standard of living and prevent lifestyle inflation is a key factor in their long-term success. They are able to produce passive income, build wealth more quickly, and achieve financial freedom by managing their money carefully and concentrating on investments that will pay off in the long run. Make sure to subscribe and watch the other videos on the channel for more investing and finance-related content. See you soon.